Here we are with our finding the inverse equation, and so this is actually, I think, number 6 on level 1 of our most recent homework. So here we have step 1, and that is to write out the equation. The equation is f of x equals negative x minus 4 over 9.
For step number 2, all you gotta do is change f of x to y.
Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to flip the variables. So it's going to become x equals negative y minus 4 over 9. And as you can see, the negative stays on the same side.
Alright, for step number 4, you want to try to get y by itself. So what we're going to do is multiply 9 by both sides. And then you'll have
Alright, so here we go. We've got step 5. Alright, and as we try to continue to get this negative y by itself, we're going to have to add 4 to get rid of this negative 4. So we're going to add 4 to both sides, plus 4. We're going to get 9x plus 4 equals negative y.
step number 6, you have to get the negative away from the y. So you do that by dividing negative 1 on both sides. And then you'll have
Alright, so here we are at the end of our first question, and here's our answer. Y equals negative 9x minus 4. See you for the next problem. Okay, so here we are with another find the inverse problem on level 2, number 11 of our unit 2 summary worksheet. And so here's the problem. G of x equals x minus 5. Okay, so that's step 1 right there, is to write out the equation. And step 2 is this. You have to make g of x y. So y equals x minus 5. Okay, and here's step 3. Alright, so now we have to flip the y and the x. Okay, so here we have x equals y minus 5. Okay, here's step 4. To get y by itself, we have to add 5 to each side. So here we go. Okay, so we're going to add 5, and we're going to add 5. Okay, so that's going to give us x plus 5 equals y, as you can see here. And that is our inverse. Okay, and so for the final part, you want to put y equals as the answer. So y equals x plus 5. So the inverse of x minus 5 is x plus 5. And that is your final answer.